How's it going?
Whose idea was this? Lemon meringue, which isn't always all the time pie. Not a summertime pie.
This is our next challenge. We are hoping it won't be a problem. Sorry, Mikey, you can't drive this time.
No, alright, that's alright.
It is that time. We are ready to hit the road again, finally. It seemed like it took a little extra time this trip, but that's because of the weather and everything else with work. So this is our next challenge. We are hoping it won't be a problem. It had snowed a bunch, then it warmed up. Now it is currently raining. So this is all ice. So that'll be real fun. The bonus is that our vehicles have been able to make it without any problem, and the Wraith is a lot heavier. So we're hoping with just very easy up on the throttle, it should be able to do that, no problem. Fingers crossed. Otherwise, we will probably unhook my Jeep and go up to the corner gas station to rehook, just so that we can make sure that we're out. We did salt up by the road last week, so that is all stone, shouldn't be a problem. Go baby, go! Go Wraithy, go!
Nice and easy. Not spinning.
No, we're going 4 and 5 miles an hour. We're doing it. It's happening. Yay! It's technically winter and we still cannot escape the rain.
It's February.
It won't stop. Like, leave me alone. Why isn't this not snow? Disappointment. I don't know, that rig looks pretty familiar.
It does look awfully familiar. It's like one belongs to somebody we know. We got Dave and Andrea a gift from work. I got you guys a gift.
Oh my
Got you some Swift swag.
It's for you, Wade. So close and yet so far away. 3.4 miles to go and we're stopped by a train. The not so bright side of winter camping. Sometimes when you don't book ahead, you have to shovel out your own site. How's it going?
Whose idea was this?
Well, I didn't expect to be so snowy.
Snow it's not deep. It's so heavy.
Well, yeah, it's been
raining
raining all day.
But look at it.
This is perfect snowballs and
We're
snowmen.
going to build a gigantic snowman tomorrow.
Yeah. That would actually be perfect.
Yeah, it would.
He looked way off center side to side, but that's because he's on a drift of snow.
Need the other, the flat one.
Hey! Doing it. You're gonna sleep good tonight, Mikey. Sleep good tonight.
I'm already tired. Already. At least it's not cold right now.
Yeah, it's just miserable with the rain, making everything slick and slushy.
Yeah, I'd say this is our MVP right here.
Yeah, this thing really came in handy. We carried that around in the back of my Jeep.
And
at
a
all
bag
times.
of salt.
Yeah, at all times, just in case. Always be prepared. Probably's like, let me out! Well, it's currently just Piper and myself. Mike took Guy with him to go check on the fitches, make sure they're getting all set up in the dark. So I guess it's time for this. Oh yeah. Now it may look like we are out here by ourselves because there's no one around us, but we do have friends who are camping with us. We got Dave and Andrea with Following the Fitches and Chuck and Cherie with En Route with Chuck and Cherie. But because we didn't book out ahead, none of the sites were plowed out, obviously. So we had to take what we could. And so everyone is kind of, you know, spaced out kind of far. But it actually ended up being pretty nice because you get that feeling of like you're camping by yourself. But then, you know, if you just walk, you know, 100 yards a different direction, you can find some of your friends. So that's kind of nice too. Here's our race and our setup. And if you come down this road down there, there's Chuck and Cherie's setup right down there. And from our site, if you keep going down this road, way down around the bend, that's where Fitches are.
This
is dangerous. Oh, ice. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die today, aren't I, guys? This trail is gonna be a lot harder than we thought. It's pretty much all ice from the rain yesterday, rained all day long. So far no casualties, but the Piper leading the way out there. Who knows? Uh-oh. Let's hope we survive. Well, so far this trail isn't so bad. Got 1.58 miles on the clock since our campsite. Now I'm going uphill, trying not to fall. Mike is up front with Piper leading the pack. I dumped Guy and Dave is walking Guy for me so that I could record without being pulled down hills and ice skating. But it's a very beautiful day out. Peaceful in these trees. Well, that was a pretty short hike for us. We only did
2.77 miles?
Yeah, 2.77. It was a little challenging because it was pretty much all ice. Of course, it was snow covered, but because yesterday it rained like forever.
All day.
It was very slick, so you just had to have careful footing. And I pawned off Guy to Dave because Guy kept wanting to pull me over, and Dave has a little more LBs on him, so I kept him grounded.
But now they are crashed. I mean, it wasn't even a long hike, but they're out. They're done.
Yeah, they're down. So I might actually do a little baking today?
A pie.
I don't know. It's just a surprise. I haven't told him at all. So that was a legit reaction. He's so excited now. I'm not sure. It might be a pie. I'm not sure what kind of pie, though. I'll have to see what I got in my pantry.
Lemon meringue, which isn't always all the time pie. Not a summertime pie.
We'll see. I think I'm gonna do some baking this afternoon, and the first thing on the docket is some dark chocolate brownies. One of my favorites, and I love this recipe. So if you're interested to know what this recipe is, I'll put it in the description below. These turn out really well. They leave it nice and fudgy in the middle and nice and crispy on the outside. I like it in a pie plate because there's all the edges. Those are my favorite. Next up, I'm going to roll out my dough for a pie, Mike's favorite, the lemon meringue pie. I do have everything here to make it, so I'm gonna make him one of those.
Oh man. Look at that.
That's for your enjoyment only, I guess.
Oh, lemon meringue pie is a kind of a rarity anymore. I'm gonna get like one a year.
I swear I've made, well, one this year so far because it's only February, but I swear I made like at least 4 or 5 last year.
I don't know. Don't know about that. I think your nose is getting longer. Panicio.
This is what happens when you put Mike in charge of the fire.
I like a big fire.
He does.
Feels good though.
Yeah, it's about to feel good.
Chuck had to move their chair back.
I did.
Scared of getting melted over there.
We're hoping he doesn't burn our horse setup
Yeah.
down.
We're looking at that screen tent.
It looks like he needs some help getting this fire going. See what we can do.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna melt the rest of the ice.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's so white on the video. Like white.
They should win too. I know a guy.
Oh my gosh. They're both burned. They got third-degree burns over here. Just gonna walk back to the Wraith. Got some oncoming traffic. That's weird. But gonna take the dogs out, refill my adult beverage. But it is so quiet and peaceful out here. Around the campfire, it's really nice. Don't get me wrong. But there's just something about the quiet peacefulness of this winter camping. Oh boy, I can hear Piper barking at me. I ripped down the blanket between the two. Didn't put her in her crate. Hey, no barky bark. Looks like it has snowed some more. Looked on the radar, said lake effect snow here. The only bad part about this snow is that it snowed on top of all of the ice. So now it is very hazardous outside. You gotta watch your step pretty close, but man, it is just gorgeous. Let me know in the comments below what you think is the best type of camping. Do you like to go in the summer when there's all kinds of people? Are you more of a people camping person? Would you rather go in the winter or the fall when there's almost no one out there? and you're by yourself and it's cool. For us, obviously, we love all the seasons. The colder the cold, the better. The hotter the hot, the better. I want to know what your favorite type of camping is.
Alright, we're gonna see what happens. He's on ice. I think we can get out. Here goes nothing. Oh no. Oh man, he is on ice. He's got this. He's got it. Don't stop, Dave.
Looks like Fitch has got the rig out. That's good news. Now, it's time for us to leave.
Here's something new I picked up since we're using so much electric in the winter months. This adapter right here adapts 30 amp down to 15. This is gonna be fun for us too. We got ice. Get some dry pavement under here though, so as long as we get a run at it, we'll be all right. See, Fitches are waiting down there at the dump station to make sure that we can get out. All right, now it's our turn. Let's see if we can get out of here.
I don't want to say worried about the race, but that's what we're concerned with right now.
Here we go. Once I get it rolling, I'm not gonna stop. What do you think, Pipe? Ready? Ready, guy? Oh yeah.
Man, let that baby go.
Nothing do it.
Man, I can't believe this Wraith. It just powered through that.
I need the shovel. I can't tell where
the dump is?
the dump is at.
Yeah.
I don't know where it's at.
Yeah. Haven't hit it yet. That's weird.
She said, hey, struck gold.
Oh, look at there. That is a wrap for Findley State Park.
It was cold, icy,
Yeah.
snowy.
Now it's snowy.
But it was good.
It was good. I kind of wish we got to do more hiking, but the trails were so snow and ice covered that it made it quite technical.
Yeah, we needed those like ice spike
Yeah, the
cleats
spikes.
to put on your boots.
Yep, I agree. Those
But
would be great.
It's like 4 miles, but it felt like 10.
Yeah. So overall, I really like Findley when it's not raining. The snow, I'm fine with that. So I guess until next time, see ya.
See ya.
Let's get the dogs away from that. Ah! What do you think you're doing? Whoa, blast from the past.